Solve x squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 0 by factoring. We have a quadratic equation in standard form. To solve it, we'll factor the left side into two binomials. We look for two numbers that multiply to 21 and add to minus 10. Those numbers are minus 7 and minus 3, so we factor as shown. Since we have a product equal to 0, we use the zero product property. If AB equals 0, then either A equals 0 or B equals 0. This gives us two separate equations to solve. Solving each equation by adding the constant to both sides gives us our two solutions.